we'll guide you through how to use Trello card mirroring, a fantastic feature for keeping your projects synchronized and organized. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Trello board on your desktop. Once you're in the board where you want to mirror a card, click on the card you want to mirror to open it. On the right side, you'll see the Power-Ups section. If you haven't enabled the card mirroring power-up yet, click on Add Power-Ups and search for card mirroring in the search bar. Click Add to enable it. Now, with the power-up enabled, click the mirror button within the card. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the board and the list where you want the mirrored card to appear. Select the desired board and list, then click Create Mirror. Your card will now be mirrored to the selected location. Any changes made to one instance of the mirrored card will automatically update in the other, keeping everything in sync. If you need to unmirror, just go back to the card and click the Unmirror option. This feature is perfect for cross-team collaborations, as it ensures everyone has the latest information across different boards. Remember, effective use of this feature can save you time and help maintain consistency in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.